As we roll into 2025, it looks like Samsung is ready to shake things up a bit. After a couple of so-so years, the Korean tech giant seems poised for some bold experiments, including a potential rebranding of its premium phone lineup. Goodbye, Galaxy name. A recent scoop from the Korean outlet It News suggests that Samsung is cooking up a slim version of the Galaxy S25 series. But here's the twist, it won't drop alongside the main series. Instead, we're hearing it could make its debut later in the year as a sort of test run. If the Galaxy S25 Slim catches on, who knows? We might see a Galaxy S26 Slim in 2026. Industry insiders are hinting that Samsung might roll out the Slim model in limited quantities to see how fans react. This isn't totally out of character for Samsung, especially since they just launched the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and a special edition that's lighter and sleeker, although it's currently only available in Korea with a potential China launch on the horizon. So, don't be surprised if we see this Slim S25 around April 2025. As for specs, Leaker mentioned that the S25 Slim might pack the new Exynos 2400 chip. There have been some hiccups with getting the latest Exynos chips out of the gate, but Samsung is already looking ahead to next year's processors, so they might be ready to experiment with their own tech in this release. Interestingly, this Slim model seems to be a response to Apple's rumored iPhone 17 Slim, which is replacing the Plus model in Apple's lineup. Both Apple and Samsung have been racing to create thinner devices, with Samsung touting the Z Fold 6 as one of its slimmest offerings yet. It's clear that Samsung needs to revitalize its phone business, and with all this buzz for 2025, they seem eager to find fresh ways to grab our attention. On top of all that, there's chatter about Samsung ditching the Galaxy branding altogether for its flagship smartphones. Many fans have felt a bit let down lately, especially after the new products seemed too similar to their predecessors. The resemblance of the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Watch Ultra to Apple's lineup didn't sit well with a lot of folks, prompting an apology from Samsung to its customers and shareholders. Now, Samsung's reportedly considering a new identity for its top-tier devices, likely the S and Z series, to create a brand image that screams premium, taking a page from Apple and Google, who focus on quality over quantity. The idea is to keep the Galaxy branding for mid-range and budget models while letting the high-end devices stand out on their own. All in all, it looks like Samsung is gearing up for a major overhaul next year. Here's hoping their strategy hits the mark and really benefits their fans. So that's all for today. For more Galaxy updates, you can check out our channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.